You can do it, Nana. Come on.
Come on, Nana.
Hi, I'm Doc Martinez, and today we're going to make what I call the old-fashioned Irish Slammer. Originally, this drink was called the Irish Car Bomb, but is now known as the Irish Slammer, the Dublin Drop, or simply the Irish Bomb, to avoid offending any patrons. The Irish Slammer was created in 1979 by Charles Burke Cronin Oat. He was the former owner of the Wilson Saloon in Norwich, Connecticut. Now, this drink quickly took off in Irish pubs and other bars around the US. The drink is actually an American cocktail, and the Irish part of its name is because the ingredients consist of Irish drinks, mainly Irish whiskey, Irish cream, and Guinness beer. The Irish Slammer is a popular drink for St. Patrick's Day celebration. It is rarely a good idea to chug anything, but the Irish shot is the exception, and it benefits from quick consumption. Alright, using the Irish Slammer as inspiration, I've decided to make an old-fashioned Irish Slammer. But today will be a little bit more fun because I have two of my daughters with me, and we'll get to try the Irish Slammer a few different ways. So to my right I have...
Hi, my name is Deanna.
And to my left?
Hi, my name is Dominique.
So this is my unofficial Drunken Shamrock 2022 challenge. So Deanna will be drinking what I'm calling the Irish Flag Green Apple Slammer. Ingredients consist of half an ounce of green crème de menthe liqueur, half an ounce of Irish cream liqueur, half an ounce of Grand Marnier Liqueur. So we're going to be adding that to a glass with green dye in it and pouring in Angry Orchard green apple. We'll give it a little stir to get that green dye everywhere. Now with Dominique, we're going to be doing the original Irish Slammer. These ingredients include half an ounce of Irish whiskey, half an ounce of Bailey's Irish cream, and Guinness beer. And now for the Irish Old-Fashioned Slammer. Now, what I'm making is a small version of the Jameson Old Fashioned. The ingredients are going to include 1.5 ounces of Jameson Black Barrel Bourbon, 2 to 3 dashes of orange bitters. Then we're going to add 1/4 part simple syrup. And this also will be dropped into a glass of Guinness beer. So here we go, the Irish Slammers. Cheers! Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Card is both on.
Keep going, keep chugging, keep chugging.
Oh, at the top.
Come on, Nana. Come on, Nana. Keep going.
Made me burp a little bit.
You can do it, Nana. Come on.
Come on, Nana.
One more chug.
Chug,
One more
chug,
chug.
chug.
One
Let's
more
go,
chug.
Nana. One more chug. Yes. You're almost there. Woo!
All right. My non-drinker. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that, especially Nana's version of it. That she kind of didn't drink it all, but that's okay. That's okay. So we have a little bit of surprise too. From they don't even know what's going on yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the Kentucky Owl St. Patrick's Day version. So we're gonna have that together here.
Yay.
Yay! My non-drinker,
More.
my drinker. So let's get this thing open. Let's see. All right. So I hope you enjoyed these versions of the Irish Old Slammer, and thank you for joining me on another adventure down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. So from our family to yours,
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
We're gonna do something else real quick. Deanna Marie.
A good blooper of. Oh yeah, you almost did it again.
All right.
Well,
Because
Happy New
there's-
Year.
No. Don't say Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year.
I thought we were done.
Yeah, I just want to throw. I knew if I said this before, Nana wouldn't do it.
I
so.
will be here.
Thank you guys. That was fun.
That was
Yeah.
fun. More videos.
Wait,